Hey, what's up, DJs? Guess what? As of today, you can actually use Spotify inside of Serato DJ Pro. Isn't that mind blowing? In this video, I will show you exactly how you can start using Spotify inside of your Serato DJ Pro and start mixing around all your best mixes. Make sure you stay towards the end of this video because you might get a chance to win a 90-day Spotify premium account for you to start DJing around. Let's get into it. All right, DJs, there are two main things that you need to do before you can start using Spotify inside of Serato DJ Pro. The first thing is to sign up for the Spotify premium account in order to be able to DJ with it. This is what your account looks like. I will add three random songs to the account on a playlist. So this way, when we actually open it up on Serato, we can see what it looks like. Remember, while we are doing this, don't forget to stay until the end of the video to find out how you can get a 90-day free premium Spotify account. So let's add this song right here. As you can see, in my playlist, I have two songs in there. So that's the first major thing to do, is to create a Spotify premium account, create a playlist, and then the next major thing to do is to actually go to Serato DJ. You have to update it to version 3.3.5. If you don't do that, trust me, it will not work. It has to be 3.3.5 or later. So the way for you to update it, if you already have it, you can go directly to the website, or you go to settings. Down at the bottom, it says checks for updates. You hit that. Then now it tells you there's a new version. So I'm going to just close it and reopen it. So here it is, guys. As you can see, we have just upgraded to 3.3.5, which the first thing it says right here, it says that support for Spotify streaming. Now you hit the settings, library and display. Once you go on the library and display, you will see now it says Spotify. Once you hit Spotify, you just hit the login. Now, the reason why we needed to create the premium account is because it will connect Serato with your premium account. And that's the only way you can go ahead and start doing these mixes and all of that. So now you just go to this page, you agree, you allow the two of them to connect. As you can see, it's just giving me a whole bunch of random songs that, I haven't checked. I don't know what they are yet, but this is pre-made. Remember the playlist we created. So this is where you go to see all of your playlists of everything that you have created. So let's put it together now to see that it actually works. That's the major thing. Does it work? One thing I can see of rip it is wrong with it is the BPM section right here, because I know this BPM is about I would say 105-ish. So I'm not sure. This is brand new, so they still trying to figure it out. But I don't know. So as you can see, we just loaded it up. This is the progress bar of that song. So let's just hit, all right. This is playing very well. Really nice. Let me jump to anywhere in the song. It's playing. It's playing fine. Let's load up the other one. And then let's try this one. Let's jump to somewhere. So everything is playing properly, real nice. So this is it, guys. This is the best thing created right now, that you able to have Spotify into Serato DJ Pro and to start mixing with, especially for mobile DJs. Like I had promised you guys, this is the best way that you can win a 90-day Spotify premium account. Especially if you're brand new to Spotify. All you have to do is like this video, leave a comment to what would be the first song that you would play on there, or the first party or wedding that you would do. Since you're already down there, just go ahead and subscribe. You don't have to subscribe to win, but again, by subscribing, you're helping out the channel to get bigger and bigger. So you're already down there anyways, you might as well hit subscribe. You feel me? On the next video, I will announce the winner. All right, y'all. That's it. See you in the next one.